Holy shit, that is subtle, but it's there. I think it's there. Hey everyone, hopefully everybody's doing very well. So I made this video on tone capacitors recently, and in that video I stated that 50s wiring sounds a little bit different than modern wiring in an electric guitar, at least with the tone control working. But I'm really keen to know if I or if we can hear the difference from a technical perspective, and if there's no confirmation bias at work. It happens to the best of us. You mean, the feeling that you expect to hear a certain difference, or worse enough, you want to hear a certain difference, and boom, then suddenly there it is, there's a difference. But it's not a difference to your ears, but it's in between your ears, it's in your mind. So we have to come up with a fair A/B test, and I want you to be the ears for this together with me. It should be fun. So first I'll record some playing examples with 50s wiring, and I'll try to record as close as possible those same clips with modern wiring. And then I will untitle all of the clips for myself, and I'll mix up the order, and I will check the results later based on the recorded clips time codes. So I will show you the clips first blindfolded with just a black screen, and then after that we will immediately after each clip see which is which. By the way, there's going to be 14 playing examples. Maybe it's fun to keep a sort of a scoreboard to guess which is which. I will do the same for myself. It should be fun. Let's go. Talk, subtle. I will admit immediately that this was much more subtle than expected, even with critical listening headphones. And in some cases I wasn't even able to guess it immediately. I mean, I had to really listen really carefully, and sometimes I just didn't know. So that's that. Playing nuances, matching the playing intensity. Of course, that's a pretty serious variable if you do these kind of tests, but I tried the best of my abilities, and hopefully this came across to you as sort of equal playing examples. To my ears and to my feeling, the 50s variation has just this hint more high frequency ceiling, and the mono wiring sort of expresses a super tiny loss of gain. It's very subtle, but it does happen. Sometimes you can hear this a little bit more obvious than others. It sort of feels a little bit different to your ears, but now we are talking in the vague realm of banjo and feel and character, and that's not really talking technically. That was what this is about. So I really wonder what you guys think of this. So I'll leave other verdicts up to you guys. Leave it in the comments. What was your experience with listening to these tests? Now, for those who like to take this a step further, here is that video on that tone capacitor modification video while I used Les Paul with lower value capacitors, half the value. And it gives you pretty interesting working tone controls, much more dramatically, and also gives you a super cool raw and resonant voice. And I think that's a lot of fun, and that's what guitar should be about. If any questions should arise, don't hesitate to leave a comment. I'm gonna sign this one off now, so please take care, behave, and we'll see each other soon. Have a very nice weekend, you all.